This is the chart for the second quarter of 2013, and we still have a high optimistic period, but we're starting to go into one of two eclipses this year. And you can see in the yellow square the eclipse period that operates from April the 26th to May the 25th. And one of the main sources will be the exact solar eclipse on April the 26th, and then there is a lunar eclipse on May the 27th and another lunar eclipse on May the 25th. That's why we made it so wide. But we have more drama to add into this time period because we have Sun conjunct the Mars, which is a business aspect, basically marching line in line with each other all during this time period. And then it hit Saturn. And so I would suspect that we're going to have much more discussion about debt or about the resolution of debt. Remember, there's so much debt in Europe that hasn't been resolved. But we could also have more of, you're seeing court cases or prosecution of sex scandals during this time period, that the prosecution of putting law involved with this is very likely. Or you could wind up seeing more issues trying to downgrade abortion laws during this time. But that's definitely going to be in the news, and you can always expect that during eclipse periods that the market usually reverses itself. So you'll see a lot more erratic behavior in the market during this time period, and it's the most important part of this quarter to look at. But no matter what, they're going to still push the market up during this summer to get one more high before they can't keep it afloat anymore. And we'll have to see whether or not Ben Bernanke does anything else, but he promised he wasn't going to expand the money supply this year. The QE3 was as far as he was willing to go, and more than likely that'll be the case. But 2014 will be a little different than this year. So let's conclude that, and good trading, and we should wind up seeing a lot more interesting news items regarding sex and sex cases during this period of time. And that's mostly because the lunar nodes are in Scorpio, the sign of sex. And that's when we've had so many sex scandals, is during this transit period. All right, good luck. And the next posting will be for the third quarter.